So 1987998 Perfect. Okay. Smoke and patch. $750. Butte tree. $188. Traveler, 2 travelers signs. One, 2. Okay. That puts me at $9,749. Good. Which gives me exactly $250 to go to get there. $250. So let's go to decorations and buy a floppy flag. I trust you, Wiki, for $250. Excellent. We are now at, make sure you get this, 198799999 of 1988. Now, so what we've got to do is go on the map to a pending Wubbox. Let's just, for fun, let's go to the original planned island where this all started in the first place. Just for fun. Okay. Got a pending Wubbox sitting right there, I believe. If I can get it, there it is. He's got 18 hours to go. So let's finish him off. He is a Wubbox, just to be sure. Let's place the Wubbox. And boom, max level. Now, this is the moment. 37,499,999 out of 0. That is the most points you can possibly have in this game. There you go.
Yay!
All right, thanks.